Jesse's phone suddenly buzzed. Curious, he picked it up from his bed and turned it on. There was a new text message on his lock screen. Street. Jesse cocked an eyebrow. That was it? Jesse looked at it again. It didn't make any sense. His phone buzzed and a new text message was sent. House. Jesse was more confused. What was the meaning of this? Why were random texts from some random number being sent to him? It didn't make any sense. Another text. Living room. A sudden thought made Jesse's heart skip a beat. There was no way. His phone buzzed again. Kitchen. Jesse stood frozen for a second before his body moved on his own. Grabbing his bat with one hand, he stared at his bedroom door. Phone in his left, bat in his right. His phone buzzed again. Bathroom. Jesse stood them, tucking his phone quickly in his pocket, holding his bat in an attacking position. He stood there for a few minutes. Nothing happened. Jesse stood there, lowering his bat, his hands shaking. His phone buzzed. Jesse fearfully took it out of his pocket and read the message. Inside. What does that mean? Jesse thought to himself. Suddenly, Jesse felt a burning pain. He clutched his stomach and groaned. He raised his head and screamed, dropping his phone. His scream was cut off by a hand, bursting out through his mouth, causing him to choke on his own blood. It was black, wet, and oily. Jesse's whole body felt like it was being ripped open. As he thought, an entire being exited through his body. Blood painted his bedroom walls. Jesse was nearly unrecognizable as a being standing in the blood-soaked and empty bedroom. His phone buzzed with one last text. Outside.